Hello. Oil prices closed this week higher compared to last Friday thanks to a late rally on Thursday. However, both gas and electricity prices lost ground. So let's take a look at the week in some greater detail. Disruptions to Iraqi exports provided support to oil prices on Monday. Exports from the southern part of the country were suspended following a pipeline leak being detected. Prices continued to strengthen around $1 per barrel on Tuesday as the dollar weakened. Prices then fell on Wednesday, reversing the gains seen earlier on in the week. And although the weekly inventory showed a draw on stocks, the reduction was 500,000 barrels less than expected, and as a result, prices softened. Front-month Brent gained $1.12 per barrel on Thursday as the dollar continued to weaken against the pound after the Bank of England's decision not to cut interest rates. Last night, front-month Brent closed at $47.34 per barrel, up 95 cents compared to last Friday. Gas prices were pressured lower on Monday as the system was heavily oversupplied. A drop in CCGT demand thanks to higher wind generation and also LNG send-outs was strong from South Hook, all contributed to the system's length. Prompt contracts posted gains on Tuesday on the back of a short system. However, near-term and longer-dated contracts didn't respond, and they took their direction from a rise in sterling following the announcement that Theresa May would become Prime Minister. Oil contracts then eased on Wednesday, taking direction from softening oil prices, before posting gains on Thursday as oil prices reversed. Last night, oil contracts closed the session lower than last Friday. Winter 17 fell 0.95 pence per therm. Power near-term and curve contracts softened on Monday, taking direction from their falling gas counterparts and a weaker wider fuel complex. Prompt prices continued to climb on Tuesday as ongoing maintenance at Tornez 2 nuclear unit and lower wind generation provided support. Near-term prices closed flat and they were torn between bullish pressure from the prompt and bearish pressure from their corresponding gas contracts. Curve contracts lost ground on Wednesday and continue to do so on Thursday. A healthy system, as well as an increase in wind generation, pressured near-term and longer-dated contracts lower. All contracts closed last night lower than last Friday. Summer 17 closed at £40 per megawatt hour, down £0.7 per megawatt hour compared to last Friday. You can download the full version of this report from the Energy Price Information tab on our website. Thanks for watching and we will see you next week.